Hello everyone, you are watching my YouTube channel Engineer Mudassir Shamshad. I hope you are all well, and today this is our tutorial number 2 video for simulation of three-phase motor, induction motor in with different case. Today we will solve this problem as you can see on my laptop screen. In this case, this is our problem number 2 and tutorial 2. In this problem we will solve and we will make a diagram of a engine or a motor with a push button. When the engine is started, green light will also be come on, but if it stop, a red light will come on, and if there is a fault due to overload relay, thermal relay, a yellow light will be come on. For this circuit, basic elements which we will need, you can see here: tripolar, MCB, circuit breaker, thermal relay, single pole magnet thermal, circuit breaker, contactor, stop push button, green push button, and three bulbs for starting, for stop, and for in fault case. Let's start our simulation. This is our software as you seen in first tutorial. This is our uh, main phase lines and neutral lines I have set here at the top, and today I will use 3D elements. This is our differential switch. You can use just MCB. If you want for more safety, you can also use this one, differential switch. This is our differential switch. Set this as a small image, and then this is our magnet thermic switch, MCB, circuit breaker, small one, and then our contactor. This is our contactor. This is our thermal relay, and this is our three-phase motor. I set these elements in series and with small image, because here we have no much space. Quickly we will draw our phase lines. This is our positive wire. This is our second phase wire. This is our third phase wire, and this is our neutral wire. As it is, we will draw our other wires quickly. You can also use this options for wiring. These are vertical and horizontal wires. we will tag as different numbers. For example, this is F1, this is our Q1, this is our contactor KM1, this is our thermal relay. I I give a number F2, and this is our motor. Our potential circuit is done, and now you can zoom in and zoom out from here or from control button. Now I am going to draw a control circuit for this. I am going to draw our control circuit with symbols, because with elements will spend much time, so that's why I am going to draw it with symbols. This is our MCB single pole circuit breaker, and then our contactor of thermal relay. This is our contactor of thermal relay, 90 and number 95, 96 and 97. Then our push button, normally close for stop and normally open for start button, and contact of contactor KM1, and this is coil of our contactor, and this is our neutral. You can rotate it from here. This is our neutral wire. Now I am draw our wires. Now I am selecting our bulbs from here. This is our first bulb for for starting induction, and this is second for stopping, and this is for thermal relay. Here I am using contact of normally close, because when it will when it will contact, it will be disconnect. And this is our third one for thermal relay. Now I put neutral wires, and at last we will give these numbers. For example, this is our Q2, this is our thermal relay as we name below F2, this is our switch 1 S1, and here we can write stop button. This is our start button with name S2, and this is our contactor KM1 normally open. This is our contactor KM1 normally close. KM1. This is our coil KM1. This is our light bulbs H1 start with green light. This is H2 for stop in case of stop, with red light, and this is our bulb 3 at trip condition with yellow light. You can see that our circuit is complete. Now we are check this at from this option simulations run. At normal condition our circuit will be at stop condition. You can see here our stop bulb is glowing. When you press our start button our motor will be run, and when in case of thermal relay our yellow light will be glow. I hope you have understand this problem, this one, and if you watch my more videos please subscribe and like my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much, and in next upcoming days we will solve our third tutorial and with third problem. Thank you so much. Bye.